2. Oh my God. This is nuts. Very scary.
If I'm getting bruised, it makes me stronger. I'm here to dominate. I won't surrender. Now hear me
That's a double touch and go, baby. Oh man, that was the best. That was max glide, running out of speed and just going for it. And it worked out. one may not look scary, but there's like a gap and it's low. And only a few people have done it. Gravy opened this bad boy. It's called the vaccine. Three, 2, 1.
Oh my God! What the f is wrong with him?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're getting into base jumping or if you're already into base jumping, go check out the Griffith Exile Base. That is the company that I have started, and I've been working on this parachute for the last 4 years. And as you can tell, I trust it with my life. It's not quite ready yet. We're still working on the final model of this. We're doing a few more tweaks and then it'll be live for you guys to purchase online. But yes, thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you have not already. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment. Let me know what you thought of this jump. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love. And there's merch down there too if you want. Peace.